We didn't mess anything up here. And we're not gonna make anything worse. If anything, this just makes it way stronger. I was wondering why we got so many footing out here. Well, it appears that the guys, when they were looking at the plans, they were looking at the roof structure plan post placement, and they had comprehended that the post placement for the header was the exact post placement for the footing. Now, this isn't a big problem. Actually, if anything, it's going to make sure that this thing's a lot stronger. But they did have to do a lot more work than those necesito. No necesito trabajo. Mario's over there like super frustrated with himself right now. I mean, I would be too. That's a lot of extra holes he had to dig. Might have to get more concrete out here though, for sure.
The footing is on the same
No,
spot?
that's not. That's for the roof. That's for the roof. That's for the floor. Let me see. Look at him upside down. He's looking at the plans upside down. 20 by 20. He did right. He dug the holes the right size, which is good. 20 by 20, okay, and we need 10 inches of concrete underneath the post. So keep that in mind. It's no longer 8 inches of concrete underneath these posts. It's 10 inches concrete minimum underneath the post. Looking good out here, guys. They got the flashing up. Getting ready to put the ledger in. There, we could probably stack like 3 more stories on top of this thing. Do.
Try to hold you. Heaven knows all the times I pushed you away. I've loved you with every bone in my body. It's keeping me from the soul I wish I could say.